Welcome back, creators. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our top 10 DEWALT heavy-duty tools. If you're looking for heavy-duty tools for your home renovation or upgrade, it's essential to purchase from a reliable brand. With that, look no further than DEWALT. DEWALT has been in the market for almost a century. It is a worldwide manufacturer of power tools and hand tools for the construction, manufacturing, and woodworking industries, as well as home craftspeople. You can't go wrong with purchasing any DEWALT product, which is why in today's video, we have prepared for you 10 heavy-duty tools by DEWALT, which are sure to complete your workshop setup. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the DEWALT heavy-duty tools that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you to make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first DEWALT heavy-duty tool in our list is a DEWALT Reciprocating Saw. This 20-volt reciprocating saw features a lightweight and compact design made for cutting in between studs and tight spots. The brushless motor allows up to 2.5 times more runtime and delivers up to 2,900 strokes per minute. In terms of size, the reciprocating saw measures 14.5 by 6 by 7 inches and weighs 5.4 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the DEWALT Reciprocating Saw a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: LED light. A built-in LED light allows you to work comfortably even in dim areas. Keyless 4-position blade clamp. This allows for fast and easy blade changing in 4 directions, as well as versatility while cutting. Variable speed trigger. This allows you to control the speed of the saw to match your preference. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, vibration can get a bit hard, but it still feels solid in your hand throughout the process. The second DEWALT heavy-duty tool in our list is the DEWALT Circular Saw. The circular saw provides the power and depth of cut of its corded counterpart, but with all the portability and advantages of cordless. With a brushless motor that delivers 5,500 rotations per minute, it offers remarkable performance even under load. In terms of size, the saw measures 11 by 8 by 10 inches and weighs 7.5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the DEWALT Circular Saw a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: highly versatile. The circular saw bevels up to 50 degrees for angled cuts. Large cutting capacity. The 7 1/4 inch blade of the saw provides 2 9/16 inch cutting capacity at 90 degrees. Excellent runtime. The saw provides 330 crosscuts in 2x4s. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the safety switch has to be pushed in to pull the trigger, which requires 2 hands for the job. The third DEWALT heavy-duty tool in our list is the DEWALT Cordless drill. This cordless drill is built to be lightweight and compact, making it perfect for working in tight spaces for an extended period. Its high-performance motor delivers 300 watts of power, allowing it to take on a wide variety of applications. You would also like to note that its 1/2 inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck ensures tight bit gripping strength for increased stability. In terms of size, the drill measures 13.88 by 9.88 by 4.25 inches and weighs 3.64 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the DEWALT Cordless drill a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: high-speed transmission and 2-speed variations. The drill delivers 2 speeds from 0 to 450 and 1,500 rotations per minute to tackle a wide range of fastening and drilling applications. Ergonomic handle. This allows for maximum comfort and control during operation, which minimizes fatigue. Numerous inclusions. The set comes with 2 20-volt batteries for extended operating time, plus a handy carry bag for portability. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, be sure to charge the batteries in a warm location, since charging them in an unheated area during the cold season may affect the charging process. The fourth DEWALT heavy-duty tool in our list is the DEWALT Angle Grinder. This angle grinder is equipped with a lot of safety features, which offer the user a high level of protection. It features a 2-stage safety switch and E-switch protection, in which you'll need to cycle the trigger switch to restart the tool in the case of an unexpected shutdown. In terms of size, the unit measures 12.2 by 4.7 by 6 inches and weighs 3.75 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the DEWALT Angle Grinder a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: quick stopping feature. The grinder's brake stops the wheel in 2 seconds or less on average. Safety feature. A kickback brake activates when a pinch, stall, or blind-up event is sensed, prompting the wheel to quickly stop the wheel, reduce the metal grinder's movement, and shut the grinder off. Easy maintenance. The brushless motor requires no brush changes for minimal maintenance. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the batteries can get hot, so be sure to cool them down before recharging. The fifth DEWALT heavy-duty tool in our list is the DEWALT Impact Driver. This impact driver has 1,400 inch-pounds of torque and features a compact and lightweight profile, making it ideal for tight areas. Included in the set is a handy carrying case for convenient mobility. As for the size, the impact driver measures 5.55 by 9 by 3 inches and weighs 2.8 pounds. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the DEWALT Impact Driver a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: 3 LED ring lights. This illuminates the area and allows you to work in dim surroundings. It also features a 20-second light delay after releasing the trigger. Quick loading. You'll only need one hand to load the 1/4 inch hex chuck. Fast charging. It takes only 12 minutes to completely charge the battery. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the included 20-volt battery only lasts for 3 hours, so we suggest getting a separate battery for enhanced runtime. The sixth DEWALT heavy-duty tool in our list is the DEWALT Impact Wrench. The DEWALT Impact Wrench features a brushless high-torque motor with a D10 pin anvil that's powerful and versatile enough to tackle various fastening applications. This tool is also designed for speed control and comfort, paired with its compact size of 9.94 by 4.25 by 10.63 inches. In terms of weight, the impact wrench weighs in at 6.4 pounds. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the DEWALT Impact Wrench a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: robust motor. The wrench has up to 700 feet-pounds of maximum torque and 1,200 foot-pounds of maximum breakaway torque. Multi-speed control. The tool has 3 speed settings of 0 to 400, 1,200, and 1,900 rotations per minute, making it ideal for a variety of applications. Innovative LED light. This allows for complete visibility in dim working spaces. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's a bit heavy for its compact size. The seventh DEWALT heavy-duty tool in our list is the DEWALT Miter Saw. This miter saw by DEWALT is equipped with a robust 15-ampere motor that delivers 3,800 rotations per minute, which makes it the ideal choice for the toughest jobs. The tall sliding fences support 7.5 inches of crown-nested, up to 2 by 14 dimensional lumber at a 90-degree angle, and 2 by 10 dimensional lumber at a 45-degree angle. In terms of size, the saw measures 21 by 17 by 17 inches and weighs 56 pounds. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the DEWALT Miter Saw a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: effective dust collection system. This enables the saw to capture over 75% of dust. High precision and durability. The dual horizontal steel rails with their innovative clamping mechanism and linear ball bearings ensure maximum accuracy and durability for years of use. Precise cutting angles. A cam-lock miter handle with D10 override ensures quick and accurate miter angles. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's a hefty unit, so you'll have to exert a bit of effort moving it around. The eighth DEWALT heavy-duty tool in our list is the DEWALT Polisher. The DEWALT Polisher offers remarkable power and performance thanks to its 12-ampere motor and speed capabilities. We also like to point out that the Polisher is capable of 0 to 600 or 3,500 rotations per minute for various materials and applications. It's also good to note that the tool features wool ingestion shields, which increases the tool life and reduce service costs. In terms of size, the Polisher measures 4.45 by 8.98 by 21.73 inches and weighs 6.7 pounds. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the DEWALT Polisher a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: innovative speed maintenance system. The electronic module maintains the specified speed under load for optimal results. A variable speed trigger. This allows you to control the Polisher's speed and match it to your preference. Smooth operation. Heat-treated, precision-cut steel gears ensure that the Polisher operates smoothly for maximum safety and comfort. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's a bit expensive, but it definitely has a solid build and proves to be extremely reliable. The ninth DEWALT heavy-duty tool in our list is the DEWALT Jig Saw. The 20-volt Jig Saw features an all-metal keyless shoe bevel with 4 D10s at 0, 15, 30, and 45-degree angles for easy bevel adjustments. Its variable speed trigger delivers up to 3,000 strokes per minute for easy adjusting of speeds. It's also worth noting that the saw includes a removable shoe cover that protects materials from scratches, while a dust blower helps you closely monitor your cut. In terms of size, the Jig Saw measures 11.25 by 11 by 3.9 inches and weighs 5.55 pounds. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the DEWALT Jig Saw a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: ergonomic handle. The Jig Saw features an anti-slip grip that allows a secure and steady hold. 4-position orbital handle. This allows for maximum control, ensuring the best cut quality and speed. Quick blade change. The all-metal lever-action keyless blade change allows for fast and effortless changing of blades. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's a bare tool, so you'll have to purchase the blade, battery, and charger separately. The 10th DEWALT heavy-duty tool in our list is the DEWALT Orbital Sander. The 5-inch brushless and cordless orbital sander delivers speeds of up to 8,000 to 12,000 orbits per minute, making it a brilliant choice for a variety of projects. To aid in dust collection, it features a one-handed locking dust bag that securely attaches to the sander. On top of that, the tool is equipped with a dust-sealed switch for enhanced longevity. In terms of size, the sander measures 8.8 by 5.7 by 6.3 inches. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the DEWALT Orbital Sander a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: precise sanding. The low-profile height of the sander enables users to get as close to the work surface as possible for accurate sanding. Effortless paper changing. The replaceable 8-hole hook and loop sanding pad ensures quick and easy changing of paper. Ergonomic grip. The sander features a texturized rubber overmold grip for long periods of comfortable sanding. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, only the unit itself and the dust bag are included. The sanding discs, battery, and charger must be bought separately. And there you have it, folks, our top 10 DEWALT heavy-duty tools, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next DEWALT heavy-duty tool roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshop great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.